Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact YouTube number you want to change, views, subscribers, or earnings. Once found, check if it uses shorthand like 1M or full digits with commas. This matters for parsing. Now extract the numeric portion only, ignoring text and symbols, and store it as a plain number. Make sure to record units. If it's already in millions, note that explicitly. Next, prepare a simple calculator or spreadsheet so you can perform the conversion precisely and repeatably. You now perform the core conversion. Remember, 1 million equals 10 lakh, so multiply any million figure by 10 to get lakh. For example, 1. 2m becomes 12 lakh, 0. 5m becomes 5 lakh. If you have a full integer like 1, 500, 000, divide by 100, 000 to produce 15 lakh. Once done, round to the desired precision, nearest whole lakh or 1 decimal, so numbers read cleanly on screen. Make sure to preserve commas for readability, and keep consistent finish by formatting the converted number for YouTube display. Append the word lakh and adjust spacing so it matches surrounding UI. You should test several examples, small and large values, to confirm consistency. If you automate this, include a toggle to show original units versus lakh. One key troubleshooting tip: if numbers look off, recheck your parsing logic. Many errors stem from misreading shorthand like 1M versus full digits. If needed, revert to raw numeric input and repeat the conversion step carefully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.